Hi guys, unfortunately I have to make this video and I had to take down the video of the chips because the information was not correct. Unfortunately, and I am really sad about these, and that's why I immediately took down the video and I immediately I'm recording now almost as a live. Because in fact the information was not correct. What happened? Let me clarify. So, as I said in that video, we got many rumors about dealerships saying that there were two Orinex chips inside the new cars, but they were going to be activated over software. I thought that it would be strange. Then there was this information on Discord of someone that has access to some information, some people that said clearly that there was two chips inside the new facelift versions. And I decided to get that information. So I don't know the source of Dick on Discord. In that case, he does talk with a lot of people, as I do also myself. So I decided to grab that information and ask clearly to my contacts on Xpeng if that information was correct. So if the overseas, you saw that in the video, if you had time to see that video. And the answer was confirming that the facelift versions had two chips. So I consider that reliable. I consider that confirmation of a rumor. So I was happy enough to make the video and announce this to everybody on the community. Unfortunately, after a couple of time with the video online, you know that usually this generates a lot of traction and a lot of comments, and some people come out and said that they had doubts on that, even coming from inside Xpeng, that probably that information was not entirely true. So we made efforts, and Dick also contacted me, and he checked with me who was my sources, who were his sources, and we came to the conclusion that there was a big misalignment and a problem in communication with the Chinese people that we have contacts with, because our questions were related to the overseas markets, so the European, UK, Australian, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, all the markets outside of China. But the answer came almost automatically as if it was referred to the Chinese versions of the cars. So, guys, I don't want to create this like a roller coaster of videos. So I just had the need to make this one, a very quick one, to justify the fact that I took down the other video, because I don't like to spread, let's call it fake news or incorrect news or incorrect information. It's not my job. It's not what I want with this channel. And I did made it very quickly because I thought it was very good news, and I was really happy for all the new potential buyers and owners of the facelift versions. But unfortunately, this is also a learning curve for me with a channel. I do need to have not 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 or 6 confirmations, so that I can consider that the information is really reliable and truth, so that I can share with you guys, because now I am feeling bad because I gave you an information that may be or not true. I really don't know at this moment, but I wanted to make this video very quickly out there so that you guys know where I am. So I have exactly the same information right now as you guys have. So it is what it is. So again, from my side, really sorry for this fake news. I promise that I will try to do this better. I understand that if you guys don't like this video or the video before, but I can only promise that I didn't make this with bad intentions or with the will to trick you guys or anything else. I am disappointed. I already transmit and I already told my contacts that the information needs to flow in a better way. We cannot have a miscommunication like this. If I am asking something, it's obviously related to the market where I am inserted into, because I already know that in China they have a bunch of stuff already because they have it. But when I ask if the facelift versions have these chips, I of course wanted to know about the overseas market. So mainly Europe, but also of course Australia, UK, and all the other overseas markets. And there was this miscommunication, and unfortunately it gave me bad info or wrong info that now I am the one that gave it a bad info to you guys. So again, very sorry for that. I hope you understand. See you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.